In the last tutorial, we look at variables, how to create a variable and how to access the value stored in a variable. Now in this tutorial, I am going to discuss what are the naming rules of variables. Naming rule of variable. A variable name can be of any size. It can be a short name like X, or it can be a descriptive name. So variable name can be of any size. When you give a variable name, the allowed characters for variable name are small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 and underscore. So you can create a variable name using these characters. So some valid variable names are: we have create a variable name using allowed characters. Remember that a variable name should begin with an alphabet or underscore. So if you give the name of a variable like underscore length, it is correct. Other than underscore or alphabet, no other characters are allowed at the beginning of variable name. So if you write the name like this, it will give you a syntax error because variable name should not be started with a number. If you give the variable name like this, it is also an error because other than underscore, no special character is allowed. If your variable name has more than one word like this, it will give you an error because space is not allowed. But you want a variable name has more than one word, you can separate the two words using underscore. And this is allowed. So a variable name cannot contain space. Uppercase and lowercase characters are distinct. And you are accessing the variable using the same name but case is different, then it will give you an error. It will say score is not defined because uppercase and lowercase are distinct things. And the last rule is a variable name should not be a keyword. A keyword is a reserved word and it has a special meaning. For example, I am taking a keyword and I want to store some data in it, and it is giving syntax error because global is a keyword and you cannot use a keyword as variable name. Look at the screen. Some commonly used keywords are at your screen, and these are some reserved words and these have predefined meanings. So we cannot use these keywords as a variable name.